Welcome to Sowie's Playroom. Today we're playing with Melissa and Doug's Old MacDonald's Farm sound puzzle. Firstly, without the sound, and then the sound on.
Elephant.
Yeah, it's a farmer. What one are you going to do next?
Cow.
Good boy.
A pig.
It is a pig. What sounds does a pig make? Good boy. What else is there?
Dog.
What sound does that make?
Woof,
Woof, woof. It's a dog.
Chicken. Chip.
What sound does a sheep make?
Hey.
Yeah, it goes ba.
Torch.
A duck?
Hey.
Yeah, it goes quack, quack. Now, Austin, this is really cool. So what we can do is we can turn it on, and it's a reverse puzzle. You ready? So take any one of the animals out.
Yeah.
Take any one of the animals out. Let's see what it does.
And on that farm he had.
Do it again.
No.
No.
Try.
And on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O, with a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there. And on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O, with a ba-ba here and a.
What do you think of that?
And on that farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O, with a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there, here cluck there.
Ooh.
A pig.
And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O, with an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink, oh. And on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O, with a neigh neigh here and a neigh neigh there, here neigh there.
Try.
What are you going to try next?
And on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O, with a quack quack. And on that
Oh, you take the dog out? Try again.
farm he had a dog.